Very good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are discussing solution of the question paper of Combined Geo-Scientist Examination 2026 and paper number 3rd. In this series, we have discussed a lot of questions for the paper number 2 and paper number 3rd also. Now, today we are going to discuss a question based on the research methodology. Name of the methodology is least square method. Okay. Now, in this question, some data is given. The following data is given for iron analysis by atomic absorption spectroscopy. Data is given, and for the data analysis, there are the different types of the research method is used. Least square method, F test, regression analysis, all these are. Okay. So now in this question a table is also given. Concentration of AP in milligrams per liter. There are different concentrations and one concentration of the unknown. We will find this unknown concentration with the help of the least square method. Okay. Now instrument response. What is the absorbance? How much rays or light or photons absorbed by the this concentration of iron. All these are data is given, and absorption of the unknown compound, absorption of the rays by the unknown compound is also given 0.832. Okay. Now for calculation of this unknown concentration, we used the least square fit of the calibration data is given. Calibration, in this type of the calculation, you have to calibrate the instrument, and calibration data is given y is equal to 0.064x and this. And this x is the our concentration. And can we, first they are asking, can we estimate iron in a sample with concentration 0.200 milligrams per liter? Explain. Okay, can we? Yeah, we can calculate and determine the concentration of iron in an unknown sample. This value we will calculate, and the given values the blank sample, because of the in this type of the absorption instrument spectroscopy, first you will fit the blank sample for the calibration of the our instrument. Okay. So now the blank sample was measured for 25 times, and the standard deviation of the mean value is 0.040 is 0.008. Before the starting our experiment, we have to calibrate our instrument with the help of a blank solution, and until the repeat the our experiment with the calibration is not done. So in this experiment, blank sample was measured for 25 times. 25 times. Now start the solution of this question, and according to the concept we will try to solve this question of concentration of the unknown iron sample. Okay. So now problem is to determine the concentration of iron in the unknown sample. Concentration of the iron in the unknown sample. Okay. So now here first we will find the which values given. So in this question given values, all these are a table, and also this is given value. So y is equal to, it is a list square method data, y is equal to 0.064x plus 0.032. Okay. And y is equal to, after calculation of this, y is equal to 0.832. We will get 0.832. Now calculate our unknown concentration on the basis of this, right? And calculation is like that. Calculation we can calculate with the help of this. 0.832 is equal to 0.064 x plus 0.032. Okay. Now For solving this equation, we will get 0.800 is equal to 0.064 x. For calculation of x, rearrange the equation. X is equal to 0.800 divided by 0.064. After calculation this value, we will get 12.5 milligrams per liter. Okay. Unknown concentration is the 12.5 milligrams per liter. So we can calculate the determine the concentration of the iron in the unknown sample is the 12.5 milligrams per liter, and this concentration absorbance of the our light is the 0.832. Okay, there is no unit of the light, only data is given. You can calculate the concentration of the unknown by the least square method. And can we estimate Fe in the sample with concentration of 0.25? It is a very less amount, because of the here the absorbance is not possible in this amount. So we can't do the experiment with the help of this concentration. Okay, with this concentration. Thank you.